I got a package, I got a package, I got a package, hey, 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 hey. So I'm thinking this is my banner because it's a little too big to be my pamphlets. It's a little too big to be my pamphlets. Let's see what it is. Now, so far, it looks like I have a lot of bubble wrap or whatever this bubble stuff is called. Got enough of that. Got enough of that. Let's pull this out. Okay. Uh-oh. Here are my pamphlets. My pamphlets came with it. My pamphlets. See anything else in there? Yep, more pamphlets. Some more pamphlets did come in here. Okay, I'm gonna put those to the side right now. I want to see my banner. Alright, so this is what it came in. Came out the box like this. In this black carrying case. So I'm gonna take it out of here. Okay, now it has directions on how to open it up. It came out like this. There's a pole still in the inside of the package. So I'm gonna figure out how to open it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Yay, I'm so excited. So this is what my banner looks like. Unfortunately, there's a pole left over. I don't know if you can see it over yonder, that right there. I don't know where that goes. So I don't know if it's just an extra pole or if I'm supposed to use it for something. So I'm going to relook at the directions because it needs to go somewhere. So I'm looking at the other side of the directions, and I think the pole that I have is supposed to actually be this thing right here at the bottom. Can you see that's keeping the banner up? I think that's what it's supposed to be, because this right now, if the wind blows, it will knock over. So I think that's what it's supposed to be, but instead of giving me the piece to keep it standing, they gave me an extra pole. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. Like, literally, look at the directions. I want you guys to see it, to see that I'm not just doing stuff to do it. Like, this is what I did. I put the pole in the bottom part. I pulled the thing up. I put it on there. I latched it. And that's all the pieces I got aside from this random pole. So maybe it's just an extra pole. I don't know. So I pretty much ordered the same pamphlets I had last time, except a couple differences. So the first thing I did is I made my spa website bigger. People were asking me, so what's the website? What's the website? I said it's on the pamphlet. They said, I don't see it. So I made the spa website bigger, and then I put it in a couple places. So as you can see, it's also on the inside. It should be over here somewhere. And it's on the back in big letters so people know the website. So here I am at the bottom of the banner. I don't want to say I'm slow because I'm not slow. I just forgot this little step. So here are the little things to keep this thing from falling. So I'm going to pull these out right quick and see if that will add any more weight to it. I still think it's still too light. Even if these things are out, yeah, maybe balanced. But if the wind blows, I need something to keep these things from falling over. Okay, so I took the little pole out and I put the banner back down. I'm going to figure out how to pull up. So as you can see, I put those things down. So it's like that. But when I pull it up, it doesn't seem right. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe this is where that pole comes in. Okay, I tried using this pole and it made it too high. The banner didn't stretch and I didn't want to break it. So I took the pole out and this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to show you the other side. It's just standing like this. But if the wind blows, it's going to knock over. So what I'm thinking is when I'm outside or somewhere windy, I'm going to put something down there to keep it from flying away. Yeah. All right, so that's all I got for you for unboxing spa products slash event vendor products for today. I have a pitch competition on Saturday, so you guys can come with me for that. And then there is Palm Sunday. I'm so excited! Yay!